Okay, what we're going to cover here is how to basically create a tag and what a tag's for. Now, a lot of people, when starting out in business, the main questions that get asked is, oh, I don't want my family to know, or I don't want to include my family. Well, what this allows you to do is you can create a tag by clicking on the tag, and let's just call this family and friends. Yeah. Create a custom colour for them because let's go something nice purple. Right. So they're the only ones that are going to have this colour. And click save. Right. That's how easy it is to create a tag. So here's one of my friends, real life. So what we'll do is highlight her name, change the tag for one contact, and put it to family and friends. And as you can see, gone out the list, pops up here in the family and friends. This way, that any of your marketing, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be segmenting your marketing by using these tags. So if you're in the cryptocurrency market, God help you, but if you are, then people that are in affiliate marketing aren't really going to be interested in that kind of thing. So rather than sending all your crypto shite, you can basically isolate and tag your cryptocurrency away from your make money online, affiliate marketing, any niche you want, you can create a tag for, and then move each lead or member into the appropriate tag. Once you've managed to do this, you'll find that all you need to do, you just want to speak to somebody, click on there, there's a person, give them a message, dead simple. What we'll do, we'll cover global segments, and we'll show you how to basically create up a full template of messages where each and every one is different to the other.